Hey, we all know that in real estate, rare opportunities are the ones that present true value, and that's what we have right here today at 15738 Highlands Drive in San Jose in the East Foothills, overlooking not only the valley, but the San Jose Country Club. This place is amazing from top to bottom, almost 2,400 square feet, all on a single level, and every single room has a beautiful view of the entire Sillicon Valley. This house is what I would call Spanish Revival. All the old world style charm, but all of the modern conveniences that you would expect in a home in the Sillicon Valley. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the whole place has been meticulously taken care of as well as remodeled throughout. When I say that it has old world charm, I'm talking about the classic features: arched doorways, terracotta tiles, stone countertops, open beam vaulted ceilings, wrought iron railings on the porch overlooking the valley. It's like a Spanish villa meets the New Orleans French Quarter. Now, when I say that this house has the upgrades that make it feel like a modern home, I'm talking about granite countertops, oak cabinets, newer appliances, freshly refinished hardwood floors, new carpet in some of the bedrooms, updated bathrooms, as well as overhead lighting in the whole entire house. Now, capital upgrades are also abundant and super important. All updated electrical and plumbing, double pane windows, tile roof, which is virtually going to last forever. It's also important to note that this house is seismically retrofitted. Now, the bedrooms in this house are all of ample size. It's also like you have 2 primary bedrooms at the same time, because one has an ensuite bathroom and then another bedroom is oversized, has an extra space that can be used for many things like storage or as an office, walks directly out onto the deck, beautiful views, and access to the jacuzzi. On the exterior of this house, you have an 8,500 square foot lot, which has tons of space in many different areas. You have the back deck, front porch, several terrace levels for overlooking, for gardening, or for your kids or your furry friends to play. Everything is meticulously landscaped and has been especially planned out to not only match the landscape of this entire neighborhood, but also to match the style of this home. A gorgeous house is nothing without a gorgeous neighborhood, and that's exactly what you have here. The San Jose Country Club area is highly sought after, well, of course, because of the San Jose Country Club, which membership offers year-round golfing, dining, and social events. This neighborhood is known for its community, where neighbors get along with each other. Some of the most friendly people that you're going to meet in San Jose all live in this area, and they're longtime residents. It's one of those areas where homes rarely come for sale because people don't want to leave. In addition to that, you're really close to Alum Rock Park, which is well known for hiking, for biking, even horseback trails. Anything in Silicon Valley, which is right out these windows, is going to be highly sought after due to the fact that is literally the most renowned employment center in the entire world. The companies in the Silicon Valley like Apple, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and the like are exactly why people continue to move here and keeps real estate as such a stable investment. Now, a lot of times when you get properties that are this unique with views like this, they're so hard to get to. That's not the case here. You're only 5 to 10 minutes away from grocery shopping or any of the other things that you need for daily life. East Ridge Mall, which is known for shopping and dining, is only a few minutes away from here. Not to mention downtown San Jose, also good for shopping and dining, is only about 15 minutes from your front door. As always, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this gorgeous house in the East Foothills of San Jose. If you have any questions about this house or any real estate related questions at all, please feel free to give me a call at the number that's on the screen.